Go pay my money for come for here.
Which kind of wahala come be this one now? Don't be the agreement me and you get yesterday.
Now not tell us na bad luck.
Who be that?
Ashangalo, is everything all right in there?
You see how? Eh? But don't use no more that they attract and invite our neighbors.
You dey craze. If una don't pay us our money since, we for not come for this place, so we for not dey shout.
Come in, brother Ashangalo. Come in.
You dey pack, come in. You dey pack,
I go pack am.
You dey pack am once.
Go pack am go outside.
What is going on here? I'm hearing noises.
Brother Ashangalo. All the man has done it again.
You dey craze. Which one the man has done it again? Don't be me and you agree to carry the guests come house. You now you the one low inside them all through the night enjoy.
Oh, we want. Why you not the one that said we should bring them home last night? Oh man.
When I say no bring the call home, why you not say no? I put God for your head.
No, why would I say no? Why would I say no when I was drunk? Did I have sense yesterday night? I was drunk now. How would I say no?
Even my own sense off. Now alcohol I cost 17. If not, why would we agree to pay 50,000 naira? How much they do small introduction?
Even full wedding. How much is full wedding?
Oh, now I understand what is going on. I wish you guys good luck.
Ashangalo, no now. Now your neighbors are in trouble. You cannot wish them good luck and come on like that.
What do you want to
Come to our
do?
rescue.
Rescue what?
I beg, give us 100k more, give the family the fair go.
Yes, 100,000. Let us just say to them.
I want to ask you guys a question.
Okay.
When you guys came home last night with the ladies for your all-night enjoyment, did you come to my room to invite me with your enjoyment?
That was a mistake. We forgot. But don't worry, we promise you. Next year, we will come and knock your door and invite you.
Now you can start.
So please, just settle this one for us first.
I don't even get time to come to your room.
Ashangalo,
you are good.
Una go pay us 50k for come for else don't get new roommates for there.
This guy don't get anywhere. They don't get shishi.
See, landlord, he was on the mouth. We now brought the guests home yesterday night. Only for us to wake up this morning now. The guests now say that we have to pay them 50,000 naira each.
Edaku, all this una personal problem now. That's you people's personal problem new. How it take concern me? Kini talaba no beji.
Galalo, the problem now they turn to compound problem.
How?
And not be our problem like that anymore.
How?
Because as the guys they say, if we not pay that money, they're not going to come up for this compound. They go follow us. They leave this our house.
Yes. So,
and I'm not saying you're not going to like that kind of thing.
So we say let us come and meet you so that you can help us with the 100,000, so we can use to just pay the guests.
Make them good for
To offset the guests, abi?
Yes, sir.
Kí wọ́n máa lọ. Ah! I know. Ara sọ fún mi, I know. Ngba mo ti jí láàárọ̀ yìí, I know say the kind people wey I go see, na people wey go annoy me, wey go disturb me. If no be say una no get brain, eyi owó ilé ẹ tí rí san. Na woman, na emi I go come dey borrow una money to pay, abi?
Baba landlord.
Omo landlord.
This thing now for your own good though. Because if we not pay this money, the guys that go follow us live inside this compound, we don't mind. But I go turn this your compound to hook up compound.
House of hookup.
House of hookup.
House of
You dey see different men every day.
Ah!
The hook.
Kí ni mo lè ara wo wetin I fit turn una to sef wetin I fit turn una to because when una even be living thing una no dey useful not to talk sọ yín di japa ni yes mo fi kini yìí sí o.
Baba, make I just say one more thing.
So.
Okay. Instead of 100,000.
Okay.
Mo give you discount.
Hey! Mo fi kini tí mo fẹ́.
Mo give you everything what you want.
Ajẹ́ nà yín ní nǹkan. Wọ́n gbélé fún yàn mo gbélé fún àwọn ilé gan ni.
Why would you guys even agree to pay anybody 100,000 naira when you know you don't have that kind of money?
No, share your cost and drink. So when the guys mention, say we will pay the 50k, but say my year do me say now 5k now a year. And when they don't break, now when my eye don't clear, now we call realize now 50k they measure each which is 100k. Just run out for us.
You said the girls are in your room, right?
Yes, they are inside me. 100k.
See, I don't have any money to give to you. Yes, but let's see how I can help. Okay? I'll just go in there and see if I can talk some sense into them. Is that okay? Yes.
Okay, we can try that.
Let's go. Hello, ladies. My name is Bridget. What are your lovely names?
I'm Zaza. My friend is Mimi.
Now you want to pay us our money?
I am Akpan Oduma's neighbor. They told me you guys are requesting for 100,000 naira from them. Do these guys look like they have that kind of money?
They tell us in at 50k, they go pay us. That was our agreement.
Ladies, you guys are too pretty for this lifestyle.
True.
Apart from the fact that it's morally wrong,
True.
you guys are exposing yourself to a lot of dangers.
True.
Auntie, don't be saying we like this lifestyle where we dey live, oh. But you know how this country be. Person go use waiting in get to get waiting in want.
You guys have brains and you have hands. You can do decent jobs.
True.
You're right.
So please, change your ways. Live a good life that you'll be proud of. I can even help you get decent jobs.
Hallelujah.
Thank you for the advice. We will change our ways.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you, Sister Bridget. Thank you so much. It's God that will bless you.
You're welcome.
So, carry your bag and go now.
Go to where? Where you never pay us some money?
They go see people now again. After all the preach you went, don't preach, give it, and I don't want change.
We go change, but you go pay for the one where you don't do.
Go pay our 100k complete. One couple must not miss.
Akpan Oduma, I've tried my best. You guys are on your own.
Sister Bridget, you dey go.
Sister.
So guys, wetin una dey try to tell me be say una carry your yesterday. Time to pay reach, una no get money pay. They gon begin dey embarrass you. Nonsense. Now they fall my hand. Come on because say una no get money pay them. They don't move inside una house sharply. I no fit take that kind of rubbish.
Yeah, Patoski, that will come see you now so that you go help us find solution.
See, guys, the only solution wey dey now war. Craze for craze, boast for bat for boast.
But wait, Patoski. Are you sure that one will not be too much?
No.
Oh, Akpan, no dey draw my moral. See, now some me they handle those guys for street. If they show me small craze like this, I go show them 1,000 craze. Now so I dey handle them.
I believe you, Pato. See, if let's say you go follow us, go now and go show them that grace.
Yes, you have to follow us.
What with that?
What happened now, Patoski? What happened?
Now Modino dey come so. That girl wey dey sell gbalaga for us.
Why you call the hide from the girl now?
Abeg, me una no mind that girl jare. Just because say I just touch her one time. Just one touch o. She come dey tell me say she no see her period. Na I come tell am say make she no dey follow me talk that kind thing. Say me I no get time. Abeg, make I quickly go hide this her. If she come, me una tell am say I no dey. Abeg go.
Patoski. What do I say Patoski that say you want to follow us to catch Jesus?
This guy fall our hand.
What's see this one?
Ona, well done.
Well done.
Well done.
I beg I define Patoski.
He's inside.
He dey inside. Go knock that gate. If I use your boat to flog the gate open, he dey inside.
He's inside. Patoski.
Yeah, found.
Oruma. Mimi and Zaza, they have go. Oruma.
Even me shock.
Oruma, it's like they just decided to repent and forget about the 100k.
Decided to repent?
Yes, now.
You mean say that be God fearing?
Yes, now.
Akpan. Oh, no, they quit leave money. No, check our property whether everything complete. Yes, we will search this house.
I'm looking at everything now, Oruma. We are not kidding. They don't take anything now.
That they say they be really God fearing. As they sit down, wait for us tired, that they say move. We don't run the street. We don't run the street.
Serious. I was already fearing. I was thinking that we will not come back and start to beg and beg and beg and beg. How are we going to beg them over and over and over and over again?
Correct. The plan work. It work. Everything work. Everything work. Nothing work.
Akpan Oduma.
Brashangalo. Any problem?
Big problem. You guys owe me 300,000 naira.
How now?
You mean how?
It's like it's them.
Come in.
Good afternoon, ladies. Please, do you live here?
Yes, we do.
I'm looking for Brashangalo. Somebody directed me to this flat. Every other room is empty.
and his line is switched off.
So, what do you want to drop for him?
It's some designer's watches.
We'll keep it for him. Don't worry, we'll collect it on his behalf.
I really wish you could, because it will make my job faster. But it's against our rules. Let me call his line again, please. Please.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Oh, thank God it's ringing. Hello? I've been trying to reach you, sir.
Yes, sorry. I'm in an impromptu meeting. Now, make it quick.
Okay, I'm in your house. I'm with your neighbor. The room after your room, sir.
The two of them are there?
Yes, sir. They are both here.
Okay. Give them the package to keep for me. Just make sure they sign for it.
Okay, as you wish, sir. Please, you come and sign here.
Yes. Sure.
All right, thank you very much. All right, thank you very, very much.
Joe.
You're welcome.
I would like to take my leave now.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just coming out of my flat now. And I can't find any person your guy dropped my package with. Yeah. You see what? Just tell me, give me the names of the person you dropped it for, so I won't start bothering the whole compound. Mimi and Zaza. Nobody bears that name here. Abi, Sister Bridget, do we have anybody bearing Mimi and Zaza here?
Oh, Mimi and Zaza?
Yes.
Those are the Akpan and Duma brought earlier today.
What?
Wow.
You mean Mimi and Zaza? Those girls took my designer wristwatches?
Ha!
They're in trouble. Akpan and Oduma are in trouble.
So now why the girls they move be that? I talk am. I say they quit leave money based on my experience with all these years.
Arma, that is not the issue right now.
Exactly. That is not the issue. You guys must provide my watches or you pay me 300,000 naira.
Brashagalo, that's your fault.
How?
Fault?
How?
That's why we call block me. You help us settle these guys. That's why you help us settle the guys. This is for not happen. If I happen, they happen.
No, you are right.
Nah.
No, because now ordinary 100k they say you have turned to 300,000 naira. It's your fault now.
I always come to
It's
your
your
neighbors.
Oh, if you look at it critically.
Shut up! Are you crazy or something? So you still have mouth?
No. What do I move from that corner? Let me come to that.
No, which corner?
Let me come and stay. No, let me come and stay. Let me move to that corner. Let me move to that corner.
Abioduma, make una subscribe to
What TV channel
so that you will see all our episodes, old and new ones. Even the ones that we never shoot, you will see them there.